Today we're gonna be playing a multiplication game of Gil ROBO. Again, it's gonna be a one-player game. So let's begin. You open up your Chrome browser, and if you don't know how I got to this stage, go to Gil ROBO and watch my previous videos on the Gil ROBO channel. Alright. So then you come to register players. Oh no, somebody's registered. And I want to play alone. I don't want to play with him or anybody. And by the way, if this is closed, you can't register. Now it's open, so I can register. So first, what I want to do is delete players. If you don't know how to do that, check my previous videos. Or if I'm too fast in this video, you can go check my previous video or rewind it and listen to me. So I put my pin. Right now it's checking my pin. If it's right, it would put pin accepted. If it's wrong, it will put invalid pin. So it's correct, pin accepted. So now we want to remove players. So we come up here and then you come to this no, give it a yes. That's a yes. So wait for it. Look, that player is gone. Now we want to register. If you don't know how to do that, check my previous videos or watch me. I'm gonna go with Wally and let's say James, 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 and then location Australia. Oops. Australia. So, oh no, I like Canada better. Canada. Then I go to my pin. I put my pin. It's checking pin. If it's right, pin accepted. If it's wrong, invalid pin. Let's see if it's right. Yay! It's correct, pin accepted. Now we want to submit. Change no into a yes. Wait for it. Look, we're submitted. Now we want to start game. But wait, I told you that we're playing multiplication, so we've got to change this. If you don't know how to do that, you can check my previous videos or watch me do it now. Subtraction, we'll change that to multiplication. There we go. And then this one, the reason why it's red is because they are different. Multiplication and subtraction, they don't go together. Alright, so let's begin. You change this one to multiplication. We're gonna also play level 1 multiplication. Wait for it, it's almost green. Never mind, sometimes in multiplication it does like that because there's an S here and this one on the top doesn't have an S, but never mind, it's okay, you can leave it like that as long you see. If I do multiplication level 3, alright, just watch, or level 2 multiplication, you see it would be green because it doesn't have an S. It was just like a little mistake. Alright, so don't freak out about it because it's okay. It would accept it. Never mind. So we've done that. Now we have to start the game. You come to enter pin and you put 3. Sorry, what am I saying? You come to enter pin and you put your pin. It's checking pin now. Wait for it. Yay, it's correct. Now we don't want to submit or delete players, we want to start game. You come to the door and put it a yes. So guys, if you're on a computer, it brings you to this page automatically, but if you're on a box or something else, you might have to do it yourself. Alright, so it's asking you, are you ready? Before I press yes, I just want to tell you guys, Gil ROBO is going to be at my left hand part of the screen, and my workspace going to be at the left hand part of my screen. Alright guys, alright, so you can see how I calculate. So let's begin. Input yes because it's asking you, are you ready? Never mind, just went to pick up something there. So let's begin. Don't worry. So 8 times 9. Some of you may know your timetables, some of you may not. What this question really means is 9 plus 9 added together 8 times. Alright, so oh no, that is a bit complicated, so we'll take our 9 times tables together. 9 18, 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 is 54, 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 8 is now 72. So 9 times 8 equals 72. Now we'll go put in the ROBO. Even though it's showing 8 times 9, that's still the same. Alright guys, our answer is 72. Let's see if it's right. It's correct. It's green. That means it's right. Ooh, this is easy. So let's do another one. It said 10 times 9. All of you must know your 10 times tables, right? It doesn't matter if you don't. We'll do it together. 10, 20, 30. Remember, we're doing 9. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Our answer is 90. Yay, we got it right. 7 times 1. That is easy. You guys know your 7 times tables? It's okay. Some of you may know it, some of you may not. So, oops. 7 times 1 is equal. Times 1 is equals 7. So our answer is 7. Right, we got it right. 8 times 7? Yes. 8 times 7. Or 7 times 8. 7 times 8. So let's do the 8 times tables. 8, 2 is 16, times 3 is 27, 8 times 4 is 36, 8 times 5 is 35. Oops, sorry, I got it wrong. Let's start again, sorry guys. 8 times, okay, 8 times 7. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 is 32, 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 6 is 48, 8 times 7 is 60, 8 times 7 is 56. So 8 times 7 is 56. So let's do it. Let's go to Gil ROBO and type the answer. 56. I think we won't get it right. Let's see. We got it right. Yay, now 9 times 2. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So our answer is 18. Okay, let's go. Eight times 5. Guys, let's do this one together. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. So our answer is 40. Let's see if we get it right. We got it right. So 5 times 8. Well, that's the same question because look, 5, 10, 15, 20, oops, 15, 20, 25, 40. Whoops, I'm a bit wrong. 25, 30, 35, 40. And now look, let's count how many I did. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 times 5 is equals 40, and 5 times 8 is equals to 40. Alright, so that means they just switched around a bit, alright? So they're still the same answer. They still bring the same answer. Now let's go back. So our answer is 40. If you didn't understand me, go. You can rewind this video as many times as you want, please. Eight times 7. Let's do this. Wait, guys, we've done this before. Do you remember? It's up there. Oh, I think I got a witness. Oh, it was a 9 times tables that we did. Oh, there it is. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and 56. So let's see if it's actually 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have the answer now. Our answer is 56. If you don't know how to calculate this, you can go ahead and rewind this video and check how I did it in the beginning. So, look, 5 times 10. Guys, I also found a new, better way of doing it, just like my addition and my subtraction. 10 and 5. But this time you're not adding. This time you're not this time you're not adding. This time you're not subtracting. No. This time you are multiplying. That also means timesing. That means you do 5 times nothing is nothing. 5 times 1 is 5. Our answer is 50. Easy as pie. Or in multiplication as well, you can switch it. Look, 5 up and 10 under. 0 times 5 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. I like to keep it this way. That's the basic way, but if you like this way, it's good. So let's continue. 10 times 30. This is almost like this one. 10 times 3. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. Our answer is 30. Have you guys noticed something about the tens? I have. The tens, well, if you're timesing it by something, this one just changes into this number, the number you're timesing it by, and the 0 stays the same. That's one thing about tens. That's why I also love them. So, that's a trick about the 10 times tables as well. So our answer is 30. Let's wait for it, and it is correct. 9 times 4. 9. 9. Well, 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. Our answer is 36. Three times 1. Everybody knows this. If you don't, I'll explain. 3 times 1 is just 3 times 1. That equals just 3. So our answer is 3. Yay, we got it right. We got it right. We got it right. We got it right. Nine times 7? I think we've done this before. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoops, I think we did a little bit bigger than that. We did 9 times 8. But we know 9 times 7 is 63. So, but if you didn't know that, we can do it again. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 35. 9 times 5 is 35. So, I get a bit of a mistake when I do my 9 times table. So, 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. You see, we got the same answer. $63. 2 times 1 is, you got it right, 2. We got it right. We got it right. 4 times 5. Let's sing our 5 times tables. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. If you don't know how to do that, I'll explain it just in a minute, please. Woo! So, let's begin. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. Our answer is 20. Oh no, I forgot, guys. We had another question. But never mind, we still have 93. We almost have 95. 8 times 1 is, whoops, 8. I better be careful next time. 6 times 1 is 6. 8 times 2 is, we did this before, guys. You remember? 8 times 2 in the 8 times tables. There we go. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So our answer is 16. Nine times 1 is 9. 10 times 2 is, if you don't know it, 10 and then 20. So our answer is 20. Oh guys, look, we have 95. We have 95, but we've done 23 and 13 minutes left. 9 times 6, that's hard. Never mind, we can do it together if we keep practicing. 9 times 6, right? Yeah, or 6 times 9. 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. So our answer is 54. 54. So 44 times 10 is, it's okay if you don't know it, 10, 20, 30, and 40. So 10 times 4 is 40. Four times 2. Let's sing our 2 or 4 times tables. I'm gonna go with the 4 times tables. 4 and 8. But if you're doing the 2 times tables, 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright? Our answer becomes 8. We got it right. So 10 times 3, 10, 20, 30. Let's see if we get it right. We got it right. We got it right. Ooh, nice, 96%. 9 times 9. We've never gotten that. Let's try it. I hope it isn't too hard. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 30. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8, 9 times 7 is 63. 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. So 9 times 9 equals 81. Our answer is 81. We got it right. We got it right. Right. 8 times 4. Let's do it. 8. 8 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. So 8 times 4 is 32. 32. We got it right. 9 times 2. This is easy. 9 times 2 is 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Our answer is 18. Let's see if we get it right. Five times 2. Let's see what's the answer. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Our answer is 10. We got it right. We got it right. We got it right. 6 times 2. So 6 times 1. Whoops. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Our answer is 12. And half of 12 is 6. Forget about that in case it maybe I confused you. We got it right. 4 times 4. That is easy. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 16. So 8 times 8 times 6. Let's calculate that. Now let's do it. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. And our question was 8 times 6. So our answer must be 48. We got it right. We got it right. Whoa, that is a hard one, guys. I'll give you 10 seconds to think about this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. Time to come back together, guys. So 8 times 7. Let's check that. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 7 is 56. That's our answer. Let's come back to Gil ROBO. 56. is correct. Yeah, it's correct. 10 times 3. Guys, isn't this familiar to you? Haven't we had this question before? Let's just do our work. 10, 20, and 30. That was too big. Too big. 30. That's much better. Our answer is 30. 30 is our answer. Eight times 3. Oh guys, we only have 5 minutes left and 97% and 36. We're doing good in our percents, but we're doing bad in our time and kind of okay in how much we've done. So let's begin. Let's start now. 8 times 3, let's calculate that. 24. So 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 3 is 24. Our answer is 24. Let's go back to Gil ROBO and give it 24. 24. Simple as that, as ABC. Guys, what happened? We got it wrong. That's sad, guys. So, let's go check the answer. Result. Hover your mouse over more, and you see this link. Click on it. You come to final result, click on it, and you just wait for it. Oh, 24, we were so close. Six times 5 is 30. If you don't know how to do that, check my previous questions. 30. 6 times 4. Let's do that. 6 times 4. 6 times 1. Oops. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. Oops! So we did too much. 1, 2, 3, 4. They only asked for 20. They only asked for 4, and we did 5. So our answer must be 24. 24. Let's see if we get it right, please. Yay, we got it right. 5 times 4 is 20. We had this question before. If you don't know how to solve it, check my previous questions on this game. Yay, we got it right. 7 times 7 is 49. But let's check. So 7 times 7 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Sometimes 3 is 21. Sometimes 4 is 28. Sometimes 5 is 35. Sometimes 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. Our answer is 49. Oh, we've only got one more chance. Do you think we can make it? Let's see. 4 times 3 is 12. Good. If you don't know how to solve that, check my previous videos. Let's see if we can make it. Please. Please. Yay, we made it to 95, but we didn't pass. We didn't get enough games done. We still have one more chance. 10 times 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. Our answer is 40. Let's see if we get it right. We got it right. And we got 95 plus percent, and we did 43, but we couldn't finish it before the time. Well, never mind, we tried. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So bye, see you. I've taught you how to go to the result, but if you don't understand it, I'm gonna do it again. So result, you click it, you hover your mouse over it, then you click this link. It always brings you to this page. Alright guys, if you're on a computer, it always brings you to this page. So that is done, and then you come here to this place, current game real-time play results. You click, you stay there, then you see this link, just come and click it. And then you see this page. Guys, oh look, you remember the ones we got correct and the ones we got wrong? Well, here they are. And that is it. So guys, I'm gonna really end the video here now. So if this video is helpful, give it a like, subscribe and share this video. So bye guys, see you, bye.